Hello guys, today I'm going to show you how you can lock apps on Android device. So in the first step, open the Google Play Store and look for the lock app. Now choose App Lock, install it and open. Now draw your unlock button or enter the code. Tap on the Agree and Start and select the app that you want to lock by tapping on it. Now click on the permit and look for the App Lock app. Tap on it and enable the switcher. Click on the permit again and do it like before. Now you can lock any app that you want, like Gmail. Now it's locked, so we can go back. Let's try to open the Gmail app. And as you can see, we have to enter the pattern. And this is the way how you can do it. Thanks for the watching, that was all I recommend, and goodbye.